Let's go over what you might see in an invoice for QuickBooks, including your company ID, the QuickBooks services you're paying for, and where you'll see any discounts you're receiving. We'll also cover why you might receive more than one invoice in a billing period. To look at your billing history, select Settings and then Subscriptions and Billing. Then select View Payment History. To download your invoice for QuickBooks, select Export to PDF, and then open the PDF. Here, you see the invoice number and the total dollar amount you paid. The date shows when you paid the invoice, and you can see the period of service you paid for here. You'll also see how you paid and the payment authorization code. This is where you see your QuickBooks subscriptions. Note that each type of subscription shows up as a separate line, so you'll see your company's subscription, and if you have QuickBooks Payroll, you'll see it as a separate line, along with a line for what you paid based on your number of active employees. Note that you can see a list of those employees on the last page of the invoice. Each line lists the number of charges, how much you pay for each, and the total for that subscription. If you receive a discount for a subscription, you'll see the amount of the discount and when it expires. If you upgrade or add subscriptions, you'll receive 2 invoices in a billing cycle. The first invoice will contain your regular charges and a note that you'll receive a second invoice later for your upgrades and new subscriptions. And the second invoice will only contain information about the upgraded or new subscription. During future billing periods, you'll receive all of these charges on a single invoice. You might also receive a second invoice if your payment failed. Now you know what's on an invoice for QuickBooks, so you can better understand what you're paying for.